Today we're diving into the Cosori Rice Cooker, a budget-friendly multi-cooker that does a lot more than just cook rice. With 18 cooking functions including slow cook, steam, sauté and even a cake mode, it packs versatility into a compact form. But does it actually deliver? And is it worth your money? Let's find out. Inside the box you get everything you need to get started. A main cooker, a power cable, a rice paddle, a measuring cup and a stainless steel steamer basket. The non-stick inner part has a built-in scale for measuring, making portioning easy. Nothing mind-blowing here, but it's practical, straightforward and well equipped for the price. The rice cooker is sleek, compact and surprisingly stylish for a budget kitchen appliance. The LED display keeps things simple and the lid flips up smoothly with a button press. Cleaning? Super easy. The inner part and the accessories are dishwasher safe and the compact size is great for small kitchen or limited countertop space. Alright, let's talk about how it actually performs. First up, brown rice. Following the manual's rice to water ratio, I used the long grain brown rice preset and it took 75 minutes to cook. That's slow, but the results fluffy and well cooked. We also tested quinoa and porridge. Same story, solid results but slower than expected. One key thing to note were the steam vents. If you're placing this on your countertop, make sure the steam outlet isn't too close to cabinet. This is where it releases pressure to avoid potential damage. We also tested gluten-free fusilli. It took longer than stovetop but cooked evenly without turning mushy. Whole eggs came out perfectly soft boiled. A great hack if you're meal prepping. The Cosori also includes a slow cook and sauté function. While we didn't test these ourselves, it's worth noting that the sauté function lacks precise heat control and the slow cook mode releases more steam than expected, sometimes requiring extra liquid midway. So, should you buy the Cosori Rice Cooker? Well, here's the deal. If you want an affordable multi-cooker that doesn't just do rice but handles everything from quinoa to slow cooked meals, this is a solid pick. It's compact, dead simple to use and perfect for small households. Yeah, it takes a little longer to cook, but that's the trade-off for hands-free, no-fuss experience. But if you need a big capacity for feeding an army or you're after lightning fast cooking times, you're better off with a pressure cooker. This one's not built for speed, it's built for convenience. So, final verdict, performance 7.5 out of 10. Gets the job done, but takes its time. Design 8 out of 10. Compact, sleek, fits anywhere. And value, that's I would say 9 out of 10. Feature pack and affordable. What more do you want? Thanks for watching. Catch you guys on the next one.
Family Pop TV.